Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to solve this quadratic equation by completing the square. The first thing to notice is that we have a 2x squared here and I only want an x squared. So I'm going to divide throughout by 2. So this becomes x squared plus 4x minus 4 equals 0. I'm now going to add 4 to both sides. So we get x squared plus 4x equals 4. Now take this number 4, halve it and square it. I'm going to add that to the left hand side and also add it to the right hand side. We can now factorise the left hand side. So the x must go here, 2 must go here, this plus sign here must go here, and this must be identical, so x plus 2. This now equals 4 plus 4, which is 8. In other words, we can write this as 2x all squared equals 8. And if we square root both sides, we get that x plus 2 equals square root of 8. Now let's subtract 2 from each side, and we get the answer x equals root 8 less 2. Right, we're almost there. We just need to tidy this up a bit. We're not going to leave the root 8 like that. We're going to tidy that up. So x equals, let's rewrite that as 8 as 4 times 2 minus 2. The root 4 times 2 can be rewritten as root 4 times root 2. And we got the minus 2. Now the root 4 is 2. So you got 2 root 2 minus 2. Okay, is that it? Is that the final answer? Well, no, not quite, because this root 2 can be plus or minus root 2. So the final answer is actually x equals, I'm going to write this minus 2 first, and then it's plus or minus 2 root 2. And that is the final answer. And that's it. A couple of points just to note are always start with x squared. So you may need to divide by a number here to get there. Next, start with this number, halve it and square it, and add it to each side. Then when factorising, these must both be the same. You've got your x, you've got your 2, and you've got this sign here, in this case positive. From then on, it's just algebra, tidying up, and don't forget your plus or minus sign. That's it. Hope that was useful. If it was, please like and subscribe. See you next time.